welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today I'm working with Celie hair again. They sent me this gem, baby. She is giving. I am loving every inch of her. If you guys want to check out me installing this wig and show you all the goodies, because again, with this company, they are not stingy with the gifts, so they're going to definitely hook you up with a whole bunch of free stuff. So if you guys want to see all of that, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get started. You're gonna get a drawstring bag and also a box. So I'm gonna open up the drawstring bag real quick and show you guys what's inside. Wig caps, baby hair brush, headband, hair clips, comb, bonnet, and some lashes. All right, so the box will look like this. It says Celie hair on it. It also has a sticker with the inches on there. So this is a 24-inch wig. At the box, you'll get a card. Also, you will get the details on the wig. So it's a 24-inch body wave, 13x4 lace front, 180 density. All right, so this is the wig straight out of the package. It is a highlighted wig. It's very, very cute. I'm loving these highlights. Here's the ends for you guys to take a peek at. It is a frontal. It has 4 combs inside, adjustable straps, extra lace. I just cut it off, but some people can use it if they want to like wear their hair up, I guess. But yes, this is how deep the parting is inside. The lace is a little bit pre-plucked as well. I'll probably go in and pluck just a little bit more, of course, but it is a little pre-plucked for you, and it does have these little baby hairs on there as well. But yes, so off the rip, it's giving thick. I really like these highlights, I'm not gonna lie. I love how it's more pronounced at the top and then lightens up at the end. I really like that. The hair feels really thick and soft. It does have like, it is a little bit dull like as far as the luster goes, but that doesn't bother me at all. Still looks really good. I like it a lot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pluck some of this off camera. I'll probably cut the lace off camera as well, and then I will style it with you guys. I'm not sure how I'm gonna style it today, but you're about to find out in a second, okay? So this is the wig. She turned out absolutely gorgeous. She is stunning. She's thick. She's giving full. Yes, the lace is giving. The lace is giving scalp, okay? Oh my gosh. And you can still see the little line from my edge wrap, but that'll go away soon. But yes, she is absolutely gorgeous. I love her. Let me show y'all the back real quick. The hair is really, really gorgeous. It has a lot of volume, a lot of body. It is thick from root to tip. I love that. Always, always love that. Make sure you guys check out Celie hair. I will have the direct link to this wig in the description box, as well as a discount code and their website as well, so you can check out all their other gems. I love, love, love this hair company, so I highly recommend you checking them out. She is absolutely gorgeous. So, I mean, you can see for yourself. I don't have to say much. I don't have to say much, okay? She's definitely giving. All right, thank you guys so much for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.